Hello. I spoke in a recent talk about snowflakes, or the snowflake generation, those generally younger people who get upset very easily. So to balance that, and in double quick time, I'd like to talk today about gammon. This word gammon has two meanings, more actually, but I'm going to focus on just two. Normally we think of gammon as a large piece of cured or smoked ham, often found on the menu in pubs in Britain, and it's usually served with slices of pineapple on it, but I've no idea why. So that's the first meaning, a large piece of cured or smoked ham. More recently though, it has made a return to the popular lexicon as an insult, mostly inspired by the Brexit debate and the xenophobic undertones of that. I say it has made a return to the popular lexicon, so firstly I'll explain that, and secondly how and why it has become a much used phrase once again. So the word gammon was actually used by the author Charles Dickens in 1838 in his book Nicholas Nickleby. Dickens is describing a member of Parliament, an MP, called Mr. Gregsbury, who is a rather large, self-satisfied, middle-aged man. He has a loud voice and a great sense of his own self-importance. He enjoys stringing together long sentences with long words that have little or no meaning. Gregsbury claims to be very patriotic, but this claim is mainly to hide his selfishness and corruption. And Dickens used the phrase gammon tendency to describe all of that. And that description fairly accurately captures what the word now describes. The resurgence of the word is credited to a writer called Ben Davis, who tweeted the following phrase with this picture in June 2017. And he said, "Whatever happens, hopefully politicians will start listening to young people after this. This great wall of gammon has had its own way long enough." As you can see in the picture, all the men are middle-aged, white, but look a little red in the face because they have high blood pressure and have got themselves a bit too excited while debating Brexit. Obviously they are all in favour of Brexit because, like this man, Nigel Farage, they all think they know best and refuse to listen to reasoned arguments, often falling back on patriotism as their main argument. They are, in a word, idiots, and they're also gammons. Interestingly, insults like snowflake are just accepted as being okay, but some people have wondered if the term gammon is not just a little bit racist, because as one female MP tweeted, this is a term based on skin colour and age. Stereotyping by colour or age is wrong, no matter what race, age or community. So we could perhaps call her a snowflake. She was put firmly in her place by the UK political editor of the business magazine Business Insider, a chap called Alan Bienkopf, who rightly pointed out that the term gammon is not racist because nobody has ever been abused in the street, denied service or threatened with deportation because they are an angry old white man. So there you are. You're quite likely to come across this word, well, as long as Brexit's happening, especially if you read online comments about Britain leaving the EU. So thank you.